गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? अच्छा है। आइए, मैं आज हिंदी में आपको लेटर्स सिखाऊंगी। इन लास्ट क्लास आई टॉट यू लेटर्स आ टू ऊ, राइट? टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू लेटर री एंड ए. Before going for the letters, once we'll see in oral. Okay, children, I think you have learned how to read letter A to A, right? But again, I'll teach you. Okay. What do we call this as? This is called as swar in Hindi. Okay. This is called as swar in Hindi, children. Again, I'll say a, I, u, ri, e, I, o, au, aha. Once again, children. A, I, u, ri, e, I, o, au, aha. A से अनार, अनार यानी पोमोग्रेनेट. आ से आम, आम यानी मैंगो. इ से इमली, इमली यानी टैमरिन. ई से ईख, ईख यानी शुगर केन. उ से उल्लू, उल्लू यानी अवल. ऊ से ऊंट, ऊंट यानी कैमल. Yes, children, now I am going to teach you how to write री and ए. री से ऋषि, ऋषि यानी सेंट. ए से एक, एक यानी वन. Okay, children, now I am going to write on the board. Before going for the letter R and A, I will teach you. I have taught you how to write letter R to E. Once I will revise this. Okay. A, I, U, okay, children. Now the next. Now I'll teach you after letter U which letter will come, children? Re. How to write re? One khadi rekha yani standing line. One slant rekha, slant line. One more slant line like this. Here take a small sleeping line and turn like this. Okay. You have learned the stroke like this stroke, right? The same thing we are going to write here. And one Shirorika. Once again, Re. How to write? Re. One standing line, a khadi rekha or a slant rekha. Then थोड़ा सा एक sleeping line राइट करके थोड़ा सा घुमाना. एक बैकवर्ड कर्व और वन मोर बैकवर्ड कर्व. दिस इज लेटर री. ओके. आफ्टर लेटर री इट इज लेटर ए. हाउ टू राइट ए, चिल्ड्रन? वन स्मॉल हाफ स्टैंडिंग लाइन. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द टॉप लाइन, देन one slant line, again one more standing line and take a curve like this. This is letter A. Okay, one more time. One half standing line, one slant line and one curve like this. One sleeping line. One more, one half standing line, khadi rekha, ek slant rekha, touch the bottom line. And the next line, one half standing line and take a curve like this. Then one sleeping line. This is letter A. Once again I will teach you how to write Re. One standing line, start from the top line, touch the bottom line. One slant line, one more slant line, and here take one small sleeping line and a curve like this. Okay, then one sleeping line. This is letter Re. Okay, here A like this. Okay children, this is letter Re. Re, A. Which is this letter children? This is letter Re. This is letter Re. Re say which picture it will come? Re say Rishi. This is Re say Rishi. Rishi means saint or sage. You have seen, right? Re say Rishi. The next letter, it is letter A. Which is this letter? A. This letter is A. A say AD. This is AD. Okay. AD means it is heel. It is a part of a leg. I'll show you some other words which is connected to this letter. Okay. You have your textbook. Open your textbook from page number 8. Open the textbook. Page number 8. Okay children. Okay. This is letter Re. Re say Rishi. Rishi yani saint. Re say Rishabh. Rishabh yani buffalo or ox. Okay. Re say Ritu. Ritu means season. You know the season of summer season, rainy season, all that. So that seasons are called as Ritu. Re say Rishi, saint. Re say Rishabh, buffalo or ox. Re say Ritu. Ritu yani season. Go to page number 9, the next page. Which is this letter children? I taught you on the board. This is letter A. Okay. Now A say Ektara. Ektara means it's a musical instrument. Okay. A say Ekta. Ekta yani oneness, unity. Okay. A say AD. AD yani it's a part of a. Children, I have taught you on the board how to write letter Re and A. Okay. Here I will teach you how to write in the book. Write the date 29/7/2020. Okay. Now write letter Re. How to write letter Re? I have taught you on the board. Okay. Re. Re say Rishi. Do you know children? Re say Rishi. Rishi means saint. Re say Rishi. Okay. Then Re say Rishabh. Rishabh means buffalo. Re say Rishabh. Rishabh means buffalo. Rishabh. Okay. Re say Rishabh. Here Rishi means saint. Rishabh means buffalo. Then Re say Ritu. Ritu means seasons. Okay. Ritu. Ritu means it's a season. Okay. Now write here in the 4th line letter Re. Re. Okay. Letter Re. Now draw a line after the letter and start writing. Children, you have to start writing from the top line. Okay. एक खड़ी रेखा और एक slant line और एक slant line और एक turn लेना. Okay. Like this you have to start writing letter Re. Okay children, I have finished the page writing letter Re. Okay. Now go to the next page. Write date 29/7/2020. After Re, which letter will come children? A. What is this letter? A. Okay. A say Ek. Ek means one. Then A say Ektara. Okay. Ektara means it is a musical instrument. Okay. Ektara. Ektara is a musical instrument, or it is called as sitar. Okay. Then A say AD. AD. Okay, how to write AD? AD. AD yani heel. Okay, it is a part of a leg. Okay, now write the letter in fourth line. A. Okay, I have written letter A. Now draw a margin or draw a line in between the letter and start writing the letter between the double line. Start from the top line. This is letter A. Okay children, I have finished one page A in Hindi classwork. Like this you have to write 2 times in a page. Re A. Okay children, the same way you have to write in homework book also. Okay, in homework book write the date 29/7/2020. Okay, now write letter Re. Okay, Re say Rishi. What will say? Re say Rishi. Rishi yani saint. Saint. So here write letter Re in your. Okay, write letter Re. Okay, now put line. Okay, write the page full. Okay, write a Re letter in this page. Now here draw or stick the related picture of